Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another hair video. Today's wig is from Myfirstwig, as you guys can see. So the wig comes in this package and it comes in a box as well, but I've taken it out of the box. Today's wig is from Myfirstwig and I'm working with their PE002 wig. So it's a 10-inch brown bob wig, as you guys can see. So this is what the construction of the wig looks like. This comes pre-bleached and it comes pre-plucked as well. So all I literally need to do is just to install the wig. It comes with elastic band inside the wig, comes with a strap at the back and some combs as well. So I'm just going to pop this on and then we can move on to installing. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace and I'm just going to measure from ear to ear. So that's going to determine where I cut my lace from. That will basically be your cutting off point. I'm going to zoom in a bit more so you guys can see. Okay, so guys, here's the finished look. I really like this length, perfect length. This is a 10-inch bob, and I feel like I'm starting to really enjoy installing wigs from Myfirstwig because they're so easy to install. Like the fact that I didn't have to glue this wig down, I didn't even have to use my hairspray. All I had to use was the hair mousse on the lace, and I just tied it down with my elastic band. And guys, this is 100% not glued down. Literally not glued down, so I'm so impressed. So like I said, this wig is from Myfirstwig, and this is the PE002 wig in the length 10 inches. As you guys can see, the hair feels really soft, and the texture of the hair is silky. So this is actually the light brown lace color, so that's why I had to apply my foundation or my powder onto the lace. But normally when I get wigs from Myfirstwig, if I get the dark brown, I think it is, I don't usually have to apply my powder to help the lace blend into my skin. But today I had to obviously apply some powder, and I feel like if you have a lace that's lighter than you, I would recommend using your contour powder instead of your actual face powder, because I feel like that matches better with your forehead rather than using your face powder that's slightly lighter, because I had to go back in with my contour powder to help the lace to blend in, you know, better. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. Please don't forget to check down below for anything you would like to know. All the links will be in the description box, so please make sure you check there for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.